Hello students, welcome to my video number 36. In this video I am going to discuss the question answers of this chapter, the stolen bacillus. So let us see what questions are given at the end of this chapter. So here we see there are two different headings in which the questions are divided. The first one is an extract based and the second one, question B, are all long answer type questions. So let us start with the first one. Answer these questions with reference to the context. So the extract here is, he stood on the pavement with his arms folded upon his breast, awaiting the arrival of the bacteriologist. The first question is, who stood on the pavement? We know it was the anarchist who stood on the pavement. Question number 2 is, why was he standing with his arms folded? Now, he was standing with his arms folded because he was waiting for the bacteriologist to arrive there. The third one, why was he waiting for the bacteriologist? Now we know he was waiting for the bacteriologist to face him, to show him that he now could not do anything as the leftover bacillus in the tube was already drunk by him, and now the bacteriologist could not stop him from spreading the disease of cholera. So he was confidently, boldly standing there to face him. Now next one, question B. So here the first question is, how did the pale-faced man gain access to the bacteriologist and his laboratory? So we know how did he gain the access, means how did he go there? How did he get inside the lab of bacteriologist? So we know that the pale-faced man took a fake letter of introduction to the bacteriologist, and the bacteriologist, believing him to be a friend, a common friend of his known acquaintance, allowed him to enter his lab and started showing him his study materials, that is these bacteria. So that is how he got the access to the bacteriologist, because he brought a fake letter of introduction to the bacteriologist, and bacteriologist believed him to be sent by one of his friends. He allowed him, and he allowed him to enter his lab and showed his showed his research on the bacteria. So this you will mention in the answer. Question 2 is, why did the pale-faced man call the anarchists fool? Now, the pale-faced man called the anarchist fool because he thought if a bottled cholera is released into a supply of drinking water, it can easily bring terrible death and can devastate a city. So why the anarchist use bomb to destroy a city? So this thought made him call the anarchists to be fools, that it was so easy to destroy a city by using these deadly bacteria. Why the anarchists used bombs to destroy the city? That is why he called them to be fools. What was the disturbing thought? Question number 3. What was the disturbing thought that struck the bacteriologist? Now we know the disturbing thought that struck the bacteriologist was that the visitor must have stolen the bacillus. This he realized when he thought about the reactions of the visitor after he was gone. This thing came in his mind. He realized when the visitor had already gone, he was getting back all the thoughts, all the reactions of the visitor, and then he realized that the visitor might have stolen the bacterium, that tube containing the bacillus. Next one, question number 4. Why do you think the man had come to visit the bacteriologist? Now this we know why he must have come there. He came to steal any one of his new invention or living bacteriums which can be used to destroy the city. That was his plan. He wanted to get hold of any such kind of invention, like any such kind of deadly disease containing in a tube, which can be used to destroy the city. So that was his intention, that was his plan, because of which he had come to visit the bacteriologist. Question number 5. Explain the line, "Well, I suppose I shall be the first." Now this is said by anarchist, we know. It was the anarchist who said that. Why did he say that? He said that, so here he said that, "Well, I suppose I shall be the first." He said that because he thought himself to be the first person to die of the bacillus, to die of that cholera disease. So he drank the few drops left in the tube to get himself infected, and then he would infect the people of the city, because this cholera is a contagious disease. So that was his plan. He first thought to infect himself with that disease, and then he would spread that disease to everybody there in the city, because cholera is a contagious disease. So that is why he first drank and got himself infested with it. Next one, question number 6. What did the bacteriologist reveal to his wife about the contents of the stolen tube? What did he reveal to his wife about the contents of the stolen tube? That the bacteriologist revealed to his wife that the tube stolen by the anarchist did not contain cholera, but instead there was a strange new species bacteria which can cause blue patches or can turn animals blue. So he told the wife that it was not containing the cholera bacteria. Instead, the tube was containing some other species of bacteria which were causing blue patches on the animal's skin. So you'll mention that. Next part of the question is in under 6 only we see here. What did he think would be a bother? What did he think would be a bother? Means what was worrying him? What was worrying him? He was worried that he had to go through all the trouble and expense of preparing that bacillus all over again. That was his worry, that was his bother, that he would have to go and that he would have to again prepare the this bacillus again, and all that trouble and expense that would go with it. That was the thing which bothered him. Next one, why did the man, question number 7, why did the man feel that there was no further need to escape the bacteriologist? Now, why did he think that? Because he was just in the cab, and then suddenly he realized that there was no need of escaping from the bacteriologist. Why did he think that? The man felt so because he had consumed the bacillus and thought that he would die soon. So there was no need for him to escape from being caught and imprisoned. He knew that he had already drunk the bacillus and he was going to die very soon. So there was no need for him to escape from being caught by the bacteriologist or being imprisoned. So that is why he thought that there was no need to escape from the bacteriologist. Next one, question number 8. Why was the bacteriologist amused at the actions of the anarchist? Amused means he was like making mock of it, thinking it to be a funny thing. At the end, he found it to be a funny thing. Why? Because the stolen tube did not contain cholera. We know that at the end that happened. The tube that was stolen by the anarchist was not containing the bacteria of cholera. Instead, there was a strange bacteria which he had been studying. In his study, he found that the infected animals develop blue patches on their body. So, the bacteriologist was amused thinking about the impact of consuming the bottled bacillus by the anarchist. That is why he was amused. So you will write all these things in your answer. Now next one, we have another set also here. Discuss and write. So these are also to be done. Let us see what questions are given under it. Question number 1. What do you think would have happened to the anarchist? Now this is the question is asking about what we think would have happened to the anarchist. So this is something you would write yourself, like what you think would have happened to him. Like we can see, we can just make out that either of the two things would have happened with him. One thing, that he might have developed some blue patches, or the second thing, that nothing might have happened to him, as the bacillus was prepared for animals and it had impacted or affected the animals. So it could be that it had no impact on human beings. So either of the two things might have happened with him. Question number 2. What do you think of the actions of the bacteriologist in the story? Did he act responsibly or irresponsibly? Give reasons. So we have to give this reasons here. If we think that he was responsible in his behavior, in his actions, or he was irresponsible. So that depends upon you. But mostly we find that he was responsible in his behavior. He acted responsibly, as when he realized that the tube of bacillus was missing, he ran out in panic to chase the visitor. This one reason we can give, that when he found that the missing bacillus, that the tube of bacillus was missing, he just ran out in panic to chase the visitor. That time he realized that the visitor must have stolen the bacillus. So this is what you will write. We also can write that he knew if he could not stop the visitor from implementing his plan, then the whole city would be ruined. That is why he just ran out in panic. So these all things you will mention in your answers. Now let me clear the things that you will write in your copy. First, the name of the lesson. Then you can draw any picture related to the chapter, any scene that you want to draw, you can draw. Or you can, if you cannot draw the scene perfectly, then you can just draw a tube containing some strands or some streaks, little streaks inside them, assuming to be the bacillus. So this you can draw any, like the lab you can draw. So anything related to the lesson, any scene, any part related to the lesson you can draw. After that, you will write a very short summary of the lesson, very short, half of the page, just containing the content of the lesson. After that, you will write down these word meanings given here in three columns, as you always do, and then the question answers that are discussed here. So these are the things you will write in your copies. So I end the video here. We'll continue with the next lesson in my next video. So everybody take care and God bless you all.